These hand and these fingers act as a filtration system, and it gets most relevant data on paper. This is the only reason why we write. Doctor says, sir, sorry, I am not convinced. See, you are talking and mentoring engineering startups, boss. Speak with data. Okay, let me share data also. So there is Yale University and Harvard University combinedly, you must be knowing that they conduct a lot of research on variety of different subjects. So they done the research on 100 people graduated from the university having similar kind of an intellectual level and different lot of base they've created before conducting this research, and they put them into the observation. They put them into observation how they are conducting their managing their stuffs and all, and they figured out some data here. Says 60 out of 100 people having similar kind of a knowledge and skill, maybe graduated from same university also, 60% of them were seeking support of government for their better life. Their life was completely depending upon what kind of a government support they've been getting. 27% of them, they were just managing their life. So they were independent, but they were just managing their life. 10% super successful, rich people. I'm purely talking about financial context right now. And 3%, they were super achievers. They set the benchmarking about accomplishments and all. When they saw how these people managing their dreams and goals and everything, so 60 out of 100 actually did not have any clarity what they want to do with their life. They are just going with the flow. These 27% people having clarity about their dreams and wish. These 10% people, they have clarity of their goals. You must have heard SMART goals, everybody. Okay, we will go in depth of that, but right now park it here. SMART goals. And these 3%, %13% organization in the world earning 87% revenue. 13% organizations on this planet having 87%, covering the 87% revenue. Go and knock the door of those companies. Every single person or single employee's goals, daily goals, weekly goals, monthly goals, their vision, department's vision, department's mission, everything is docketed. And you don't need to go far, you are a part of one of them also. I hope you're getting what I'm saying. You don't need to go too far. You are already a part of that system in a different way. That's the power of written goals. Why I shared this research particularly at this stage, we will be having lots of exercises in this particular workshop. These all would be written, and we would be seeking lots of cooperation from you when it comes to written exercises. But one thing is for sure, these written exercises will enhance the percentage of success whatever you are doing it right now. Many of you shared that what I am doing right now, compared to that I would like to achieve more. Without power of writing, generally it won't happen. So that's why power of writing is very important. So we will make sure that you write many things in this particular session. So we would be seeking your support in terms of return exercise accomplishment. Are you all with us? Please, those who are attending online session, I will request them to put your answer into the chat box. We will be seeking support from everybody for return exercises and assignments. If you are ready to support, please post yes into the chat box. Okay, let's go next. We'll see this later on. Okay, one more small group exercise. This might be a repetition for you for 1 or 2 slides probably. We did this exercise there. What I have written, these 3 words. Have you heard these 3 words first time ever in your life? I am sure we all have heard before, numerous times, बचपन से. बस तीनों का डिफरेंस निकालना है. Okay, once again I am giving you 3 minutes time. Let's change the captain this time. Discuss and come out with a one solid answer. What is the difference in these 3 terms? Dream, wish and goal. Yeah, sure. Ankit bhai, now we will do that exercise there. Sharing करावड़ा दे पछ कर. Friends, before you all share your answers, let me tell you, let me share with you the significance of this question. I will connect the dots later on, but when we coach and mentor the organizations, larger organizations, bigger organizations or mid-scale organizations, this is the area, this is the one definition which is making lots and lots of difference. Why one organization, even after having, great product, great people, many a time struggle. This is one of a very important thing. Take a help of Google. ले लीजिए. Okay, are you ready or? Yeah. Take a time. We are not in a hurry. Done, captain? So who is the captain this time? Okay, great. Who is the captain this time? Great. Oh, yeah. Great. We know. So who will be sharing? वो बोलता है ये शेयर करेगा, ये बोलेगा. So who will be sharing in this team? Okay, chalo, great. Last 30 seconds. Okay. We'll take few sharing from online participants also. Drishti, we'll take few sharing from one or two from online participants also. Okay, done everybody? This team done? So this team also done? Done? Great. Okay. Chalo. So we'll start from here. Guys, please pay attention now. Okay. Yeah, please. Dream, wish, goal.
So dreams are very vague, first of all. Like it's a very vague thing. And when you make it more clear, it becomes a wish. And when you put rationality to it, it becomes a goal.
Very nice. Good attempt. I must say the dream is a vague and vague dream. We make it. What was the second word?
Clarity. First we get
Okay.
clarity and rationality.
Very nice. We must clap for them. It's a good answer. Good. Yes. Please. Who is the captain? Are.
Actually, so one is a kind of line definition जो हमने identify किया है.
Right.
दो चीज में हमने activity wise बताया. So basically, dream is something imaginative and aspiring milestone. Wish is something which we want it to happen, but we don't want to put any effort. Like अलादीन का चिराग मिल गया और कुछ मांग लिया और कुछ हो जाए.
ठीक है.
Goals is basically executable target and we can define it.
Perfect. Fair enough.
So in that terms, dream is I want to do it, wish is if it could happen, and goals is I can do it.
Oh, very nice. Super. Very soon you will replace us. We have our competitors. But good attempt. Please, yes, Captain.
Okay, so dream would be that is some set of images that are in our mind that we wish that it happened.
Yeah, please.
Something in our mind that we wish that we could make it happen, or at some point of time in life we can achieve those things.
Mhm.
A wish would be like he said that we don't give any effort to it. It is like muddy girl or a
Perfect. Okay, very nice.
And the goal would be a target set to achieve those dreams.
Okay. So that's integration is there. Okay, perfectly. Okay, so let's yes, Captain.
So the dream is આપણે કઈ વસ્તુ વિચાર જોઈએ ડ્રીમ જોઈએ પણ એનું આઉટકમ આપણે કંટ્રોલમાં ના હોય.
અચ્છા.
અને ગોલ્સ એવું છે કે જેનું આપણે પ્રી ડિફાઇન કરેલું છે અને એનું આઉટકમ આપણે ખબર છે કે આપણે એ જ વસ્તુ જોવે છે. ધેટ ઇઝ અવર ગોલ. એન્ડ વિશની અંદર એવું છે કે દાખલા તરીકે સપોઝ પ્રેક્ટિકલમાં આપણે જોઈએ કે આપણે કોઈ પ્રોજેક્ટ પર કરીએ છીએ અને એમાં આપણે ઈચ્છીએ છીએ કે 20% પ્રોફિટ થાય પણ we wish કે 20 to 22% બી થઈ જાય એમ નહીં થાય તો બી ચાલશે if it happens or it not happens.
એટલે યુ મીન ટુ સે 20 એવી વસ્તુ છે કે થાય તોય ઠીક, ના થાય તોય ઠીક. ઓકે, ગ્રેટ, સુપર. Can we have one or two sharing from online participants, please? Anybody? Yeah, who's that?
Hello. Yeah, Prakash.
Yes, Prakash.
Yeah, so I want to say this thing one sentence.
Hmm?
Dream can't let you sleep, and goal motivate you to work hard, and disease will make you lazy.
Oh my goodness. Can you repeat that once again?
Yeah, the dream can't let you to sleep.
Hmm. Perfect.
A goal motivates you to work hard,
Okay.
and disease will make you lazy.
Okay. Let's have a big round of a different analogy came. Okay, one more sharing from anybody? Not really? Okay, let's go ahead. So guys, let us understand it fundamentally. As I said that we are doing a very process-led learning, so nothing we would be breaking everything, even the most intangible contents on this planet, we will make it scientific and structured. Correct? Okay, so how many times we have come across these three words? I am sure while discussing, you would have realized one thing. Day in, day out using these terms in our vocabulary, yet we have not proper clarification. Yes or no? So the first and foremost thing is that before using this, let us clarify. So one thing is for very clear, dream is nothing but an imagination. It can be any kind of imagination. It can be a wild imagination also. So dream is an imagination. When your dream becomes specific, become big. Specific means what exactly you want to do. Going to USA can be a dream. But going USA for a higher studies in psychology is specific. I will have a great financial wealth, but I will have a financial wealth by doing turnover of the company. Specific. I will make lot of money. Dream. I will make lot of money by making profit. Specific. I will be very healthy in my life. I will become very healthy by every day walking in my garden or maybe, whatever. That's specific. So first and foremost is make your dream as specific as you can. As specific as you can. If you find any difficulty, then ask 3 what next question to your dream. Ask 3 times what next if that. So I am saying, I want to become a very wealthy person. What happens if that happens? What happens if that happens? You will end up to some kind of it's a funnel basically. It's a funnel of question. When you will ask 3 times, it will give you some clarity about what's specific. Okay. One more way of making more specific. Make your dream that specific that you start measuring the progress of what specifically you have defined. So then measure. So we always say when your dream becomes specific, it becomes wish, and when your dream becomes smart, it becomes goal. S stands for specific, M stands for measurable. I'm sure we all would have heard this, but we will go into the depth. We will do the post-mortem of goal setting. And let me tell you one thing. This is the one area where we both are, we can proudly say that we will not overcommit anything. What intensity of goal setting we will deliver, we can very proudly say, there would be very few on this planet would be able to do that. That kind of a commitment I can give it to you on behalf of both of us. You will see in time to come in four sessions. So, M stands for measurability. We all are engineering people. Unit of measurement. मतलब टर्न ओवर है तो यूनिट ऑफ मेजरमेंट क्या होगा? रुपीस, लैख और सीआर. वेट रिडक्शन, केजी. रीडिंग बुक्स, number of pages or number of book or number of pages per number of book, whatever the case may be. Okay. Profit, great. Employee retention, percentage. So very nice question. I will give you an answer of this question, but will not invest much of a time into this. People say, Payang bhai, at the end of the day, everybody wants happiness in life. How many of you agree? Please remove this statement out of your life. Why you want at the end of the day happiness? With happiness, I will start everything in my life. Specifically also with happiness, measurability with also happiness, timeline also with happiness. Oh, no, of course happiness. Okay, we'll see that. So specific as M stands for measurability, which is unit of measurement. T stands for timeline. What is the meaning of timeline? Give an example. How much time means? Okay. What time? Absolutely. It has to have both start date and end date. So mentors, please, while you help your mentees to set goals, let me tell you one thing. If your goal statement does not incorporate both start date and end date, it is not a goal. In next 6 months, we will do this. Is it a goal statement? No. Starting from 1st March 2021 till 30th August 2021, this is start date and end date. So please make sure that your goal statement has to have both start date and end date. So timeline, we say start date and end date. Let me tell you one thing. You all are technical people, so you must be aware about this term called qualification criteria. नहीं, ऐसा होता है एक स्टार्टअप में. आई एम श्योर मेंटोर्स वुड बी नोइंग कि जब कोई स्टार्टअप आता है तो हम पहले क्वालिफाइड क्राइटेरिया रखते हैं कि भाई यहाँ पर 3 लेयर कर दिया, अगर आप इतने में से बाहर निकल जाते हो देन लेवल 2 स्टार्ट्स. फिर उसमें और फिल्टर डाला, देन व्हाट हैपेंस, देन यू गो टू लेवल 3. करेक्ट? वी ऑल मस्ट. तो वन थिंग इज फॉर श्योर, whether your statement is a goal statement or not, S, M and T is the qualification criteria only. It means if your goal statement does not have these three, any one of these three things, no question about treating it as a goal. This is a qualification criteria. Acha, once these three clarifies, level 2 filtration comes. That is A and R. Both A and R represents the same thing. Okay? Now here I will take a break. Before we get into the actual crux of goal setting, we will play a small game. Over to you, Ankit bhai.
All right. So quickly, just to get the feel, जब से हमने शुरू किया, अभी तकरीबन कितना देर, पौने 2 घंटे जैसा हुआ है. What is your feeling? कैसा लग रहा है? Quickly.
Enjoy.
You are enjoying.
Yeah.
Okay. Dr. Saab is enjoying. Yes. Learning. Learning. Now the word is listening.
You can find the synonyms of learning. Huh?
Still searching. Okay. Curiosity बढ़ रही है. Okay. Okay. So okay. ठीक है. Okay, you're trying to think on the points that you have mentioned, okay?
Anxious, scared, what would be the next?
Okay. What's going to be next? That's, you're curious or anxious to know that, okay? अभी कुछ कनेक्ट हुआ नहीं है, पर डॉट्स बहुत सारे आपने लगा दिए, तो कुछ ना कुछ तो कनेक्शन होगा, ओके?
मैं तो सोच रहा हूँ कि बहुत सिंपल चीजें हैं तो हम सोचते क्यों नहीं है, यही मैं सोच रहा हूँ.
Super. So one thing which I did it with the first batch and probably I missed with all of you, I would like to thank you to say this and it has reminded me of doing it. So after these guys shares as to how do they feel, I'll share you that statement. Yeah. Amazing. किस तरीके का अमेजिंग है, मैं सब कुछ करने को मिल रहा है इसलिए अमेजिंग है. I'm just kidding. Good. So excited. Okay. Super. So I think everybody has shared, right? Okay. Yeah. So you just entered, right? I was just asking them as to how अभी तक कैसा फील हो रहा है? How was your experience till now since the session has begun? It was nice. So she felt like she's got caught. No, it's not like. Generally also we were asking. Okay. So अभी है ना इन सब ये सब डॉट्स को ज्वाइन करने के लिए आपको एक यहाँ से स्पेसिफिक टेंजिबल टेक अवे देने के लिए पहले मैं एक सेंटेंस आपके साथ शेयर करूंगा और उसके बाद हम एक एक्टिविटी करेंगे. तो ये सेंटेंस कुछ इस तरीके से है and I would request each one of you to write it down, right? And जितना हो सके इसको प्रैक्टिस करने की कोशिश करना. दोपहर से लेकर के from the beginning till now हमने जो कुछ भी बातें की ना वो इस सेंटेंस में आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि ये क्यों हुआ, क्या हो रहा है, what is it that we are trying to communicate, right? So the sentence goes like this. There is a huge difference. There is a huge difference between doing things and doing things consciously. ठीक है? There is a huge difference in doing things and doing things consciously, right? Does this make sense? Right? आपने शायद वही चीज एक्सप्रेस की. इतनी छोटी छोटी बातें हैं, हम लोग क्यों नहीं सोचते हैं? Right? So the first shift that we all as a team would want to achieve today is this one. कि after attending this session, I'll not just do things, I'll do things consciously. राइट उससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है ये जरा मेंटर्स से सुनते हैं, उनकी क्या राय है इस पे. राइट सो व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन इट? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस इन जस्ट डूइंग थिंग्स एंड डूइंग थिंग्स कॉन्शियसली? व्हाट डिफरेंस डज इट मेक?
डूइंग थिंग्स जैसे बोलते हैं कोई भी कर सकता है करने के लिए, बट डूइंग थिंग्स स्मार्टली और डूइंग थिंग्स बाय थिंकिंग आफ्टर थिंकिंग इज अ जैसे कि सर्कस में एक मारने पे शेर भी
हाँ चढ़ सकता है.
जंगल में वो शेर को मारोगे तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा.
नहीं फर्क पड़ेगा हमको. हम चढ़ेंगे नहीं, ऊपर ही पहुंच जाएंगे. ओके गुड. यस या exactly. Doing things consciously may not always make you achieve what you have targeted, but it would at least give you sense of accountability. And you as a startup should know the difference between responsibility and accountability. पता है? What is the difference between responsibility and accountability? हाँ कहीं लिख के रखो, अभी अपने पास टाइम नहीं है, बट दिस इज समथिंग दैट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एंड अकाउंटेबिलिटी? यस
Just doing things is a way, मतलब
कर लिया. हाँ
And doing things consciously means you have set some target and you want to achieve that target, and for that you are doing that hard work.
yeah, and every moment you have that in your mind while you are superb, beautiful.
So same thing, but just put differently.
Yeah,
They need to think before they do anything because it's about a lot of things for a startup. It's just not they have a lot of money or they have abundance of human resource or any sort of resources. So if they have to do it, they can do it either way by investing personal money, but if so they have to do it wisely.
superb. Yeah. That's it. Okay. So can do का बॉक्स बनाने से पहले सोचना है, डन का बॉक्स बनाने से पहले सोचना है, बड़ा सर्कल बनाने से पहले सोचना है, नंबर लिखने से पहले सोचना है, क्या स्पीड से करेंगे वो सोचना है, वो सारा होने के बाद सोचना है, इन सब पे सोचना है. आर यू गेटिंग द पॉइंट? राइट. और अब जो असाइनमेंट आएगा वो ये है कि आपको स्मार्ट गोल भी डिसाइड करना है. जैसे कि पैंक सर ने बोला कि 7 डे गोल आप डिसाइड करोगे, तो अभी मैं आपको एक गोल दे रहा हूं. राइट आपका गोल ये है कि आप सब लोग खड़े हो सकते हो. यू कैन गेट अप, है ना, एंड जस्ट पास दिस. थोड़ा ऐसे 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 कर सकते हो. और अरे हाँ यही होता आ रहा है जिंदगी में, तेरे तक आती हुई चीजों को छीन लेगा. ये ऐसे 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 इत्तेफाक जोली एलएलबी की तरह मेरे लाइफ में होते रहते हैं. ऑलराइट ओके. सो आपको करना ये है that any 2 person from each table will come here and you have to put this ball into the basket, right? And there are no conditions attached apart from one, right? ये मैंने अगले ही बैच से सीखा. You cannot move the bucket. ये मैंने अगले बैच से सीखा. You know, so you can come here and you can do this one. ऐसे भी डाल सकते हो, इधर से डाल सकते हो, जहां खड़े हो वहां से डाल सकते हो. I mean, craziest of the stuff you are supposed to do, you can do. Only thing is you have to do that 5 times and we want to see how many times you can put the ball in the bucket. ठीक है? तो 2 लोग डिसाइड कर लो कौन 2 आने वाले हैं. ओके कौन आने वाला है? कौन? डॉक्टर साहब. अच्छा आप दोनों. हाँ 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 पहले जाओ तो सही फिर आना. Okay. So we begin with them. आ जाओ. पांच बार दोनों को डालना है. हाँ, सो टोटल 10 बार हो. हाँ, आई मीन यस, दोनों को. हाँ, ऐसा मतलब कितनी बार हुआ वो थोड़ा हम गिनेंगे, ऐसा और कुछ ऐसा उसमें हार जीत ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. हाँ, सो अभी किया वो गिनना है. अभी ऐसे पूछते हुए बात करते हुए. अच्छा ठीक है, चलो. हाँ ठीक है, चलो. 1. Okay, 1 out of 4. He is giving to you, that's 1. You are putting in, that's 2. Right? ऐसे 2 बार हुआ. So 4 बार आपने किया, उसमें से 1 बार गया. 1 out of 4.
लिख लेते सर पहले एक बार.
Okay. 2 out of 5. 2 out of 6. 3 out of 7. Okay, 4 out of 8. 5 out of 9. Superb! Can we clap for them? 6 out of 10. बैठिए, very good. Very good. So who's coming next? आ जाओ. आजा. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 5. 1. Superb. 6 out of 6. Okay. 7 out of 7. Okay. 7 out of 8. Counted. Okay, 8 out of 9. 8 out of 10. Who's next? Come on. हाँ तो आप मत आओ. जिसको समझ में आया वो आएंगे. सिंपल है यार, लाइफ बहुत इजी है. हाँ, 5 times. पांच. सुपर्ब. हाँ कर दिया मैंने. सुपर्ब. चल क्या रहा यार लाइफ में. ठीक है, टाइम पास करवा रहे हो, मजे ले रहे हो आप. ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. कुछ भी डालना है, कुछ भी. हाँ तो फिर मैं तो करूंगा. गुड. नहीं कोई बात नहीं. ओके. सुपर्ब. नहीं इट्स ओके. हाँ, सो अभी एक और बाकी है. Ah, superb. Okay, now the last team is remaining.
I'm waiting for my partner.
Okay, you guys, if you might want to sit down, you can. If you want to stand up, that's also okay. Huh? हाँ चलो. 1. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, you know what? They have decided we are mentors. We have to take 10 out of 10. No. Superb. So I just would like to understand from all of you as to what have we done just now. Sheer waste of time. What have we done? अभी हमने क्या किया, ये क्या था? हाँ, लोगों की स्ट्रेटजी देख के समझा, ओके, और गोल अटेंड करने पे ध्यान दिया, और हाँ जी,
फर्स्ट स्टार्टअप हमेशा डिफिकल्ट होता है।
फर्स्ट स्टार्टअप, स्टार्टिंग फर्स्ट इज ऑलवेज डिफिकल्ट, ओके, और
क्लैरिटी होनी बहुत स्ट्रेटेजी है।
हाँ, क्लैरिटी होना जरूरी है, स्ट्रेटजी होना जरूरी है, और आप बोलो ना, उसके कान में बोल के उसके मुंह से क्यों निकलवाना चाहते हो, अपने मुंह से ही बोल दो। कॉन्शियस होना चाहिए, और एंजॉइंग द जर्नी, ओके, और ये इसमें ऐसा है, मैं और पूछता ही रहूंगा। सो नाउ लेट मी टेल यू एज टू व्हाट हैव आई लर्नड आउट ऑफ दिस, what have I learned and observed about you and from you, right? Number one is that ये करने में 5 में से 5 मिलता है, पर 5 में से 5 वाला फील या सेटिस्फेक्शन नहीं मिलता है। Am I correct? Right? Okay. अगर मैंने ये किया और मैं फेल गया, तो दुनिया कुछ भी कर रही है, मैं ये करूं, एक बार तो मैं डालूंगा ही, उसके बाद क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि ये मैंने जो किया है वो मुझे ही गवारा नहीं है, इट इज नॉट गिविंग मी सेटिस्फेक्शन, आई विल डू दिस ओनली व्हेन आई पुट इट फ्रॉम हियर। हमारा कोई सेटिंग नहीं है कि बाहर से मैंने बोला था तू भाई ऐसे करना, 5वीं बार डाल के 2 हाथ ऐसे, ऐसा कुछ सेटिंग, बट दैट्स अ ह्यूमन नेचर। थोड़ा दूर से उसको लगा हाँ डिफिकल्ट है, और तब गया, तब ही सेलिब्रेटेड। डज दिस मेक सेंस? देयर आर पीपल who tried new things, बास्केटबॉल की तरह करते, मैं तुझे दूंगा, तू इसमें डालना, superb. So I just told you a condition, and what you did is you created your goal that challenges you. आपने खुद डिसाइड किया, राइट? मैं आपको बताऊं स्पेसिफिकली मेंटर्स का जो मैंने ऑब्जर्व किया, राइट? मेंटर्स का मैंने ऑब्जर्व ये किया बिकॉज ऑफ समथिंग दैट दे हैव सेट फॉर देमसेल्फ विच इज एब्सोल्युटली नॉन नेगोशिएबल, कि ये तो इसमें कोई इधर उधर नहीं, 10 में से 10 चाहिए, मतलब चाहिए। वो प्रेशर इतना था उन पे कि they could not afford to stand here and throw. अगर नहीं गया तो दुनिया की छोड़ो, अपने आप को क्या मुंह दिखाएंगे, अरे भैया गेंद ही तो है, इसमें तो क्या है। ये कौन क्रिएट कर रहा है? हम खुद क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, राइट? सो व्हाइल यू आर सेटिंग योर गोल्स, while you are setting your goals, specific, measurable, time bound, ये सारी चीजें क्या है? qualifying criterias हैं, but your A is action, A is attainable and R is realistic. ये दो जो हैं, अगर वो नहीं है तो फिर आपका कुछ गोल का कोई मतलब नहीं है, राइट? सो ये चीज ध्यान में रखना कि कुछ ऐसा करो जो अचीव करने के बाद आपको सेटिस्फैक्शन महसूस हो, विच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? एंड दैट इज वाई इवन टुडे सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट वाला रूल लागू है। क्या जितने स्टूडेंट्स आपके कॉलेज में पढ़ते थे सारे ने स्टार्टअप कर लिया? सारे यहां बैठे? नहीं। क्या उन सब ने मिलके आपको ऐसे छुरी रखी थी, धर्म भाई अगर नहीं किया ना काट डालूंगा वे, एआर में ही करना है, समझ में आया? ऐसे तो नहीं किया था, फिर भी उन्होंने डिसाइड किया मैं यही करूंगा। Similarly for all of us, we create our own challenges and when we burst it, we feel satisfied. So ये चीज को ध्यान में रखना, ठीक है? I hope you must have enjoyed the second part of this also, right? Over to you, sir.
So, well, we were there. S, M and T, these three are once again what? Only qualifying criteria whether what we are writing, that this is what we should achieve, is actually goal or not. But it is not a goal. Your entire goal setting process is A and R. So when you give quantification to these three things, which is how much and how many, then it becomes goal. So both A and R represent same thing, which is quantification. Turnover करना है, करोड़ में करेंगे, 1 तारीख से 1 मार्च से लेके 1 अगस्त के बीच में करेंगे, 1 करोड़ करेंगे, 2 करोड़ करेंगे, 2.5 करोड़ करेंगे, 3 करोड़ करेंगे, that is a quantification. Yes or no? तो बोले सर ये A एंड R बोथ क्वांटिफिकेशन बताता है, ऑफ कोर्स, तो फिर फर्क क्या है दोनों में? तो लेट मी गिव यू एन एग्जांपल which probably I shared in that workshop also, same thing. Very quickly, I will give you a condition, you have to write down the number. Okay. Tomorrow this Sunday morning, you suppose you are in Gandhinagar only and we all are participating in 1 hour running competition. How much distance you can cover in 1 hour? Don't speak, just write down. 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 5 kilometer. Morning 5 to 6 we are running on this, the main road of maybe PDPU. How much distance we can cover in 1 hour? Let's have a few sharing, very quick sharing, please. One figure. 5 kilometer. One tip. Yeah, please. You. 7 kilometer. Okay. Yes. Drashti, how much? 6. Okay. Great. One from here. 5. Anybody who has attended more than 5? No. 5. Okay. Now listen my other condition. See, you are not the only one who is going to run. This entire campus is going to run. This running is happening under Healthy Ahmedabad, some kind of a concept. First 10 winners. Participants all are from university only, including professors, students, faculty members, everybody. First 10 members would be awarded with 2 things. Our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji is here only. He thought कि अपने PDPU के बच्चों को जो 10 लोग पहले आते हैं उनको मैं अपने हाथ से कुछ रिवॉर्ड वगैरह दूंगा. And दूसरा, as such we don't do anything for which we are published in newspaper. Correct? I hope so. Okay. Correct? So they have decided कि ये 10 लोगों का हम इंटरव्यू भी लेंगे. फ्रंट पेज जो सेकेंड एडिशन वाला होता है उसमें. So these two are the conditions. So I will request everybody to push the limit, stretch the limit, and please change the figure. Please write down the other number. Very quick, very quick, very quick. Okay. So Drashti, how much you would like to do? Tarwa 6 હતું ને? Okay, okay. Anybody please there? 5 to 6. 7 किसका था? आपका जी? 12 दौड़ेगा. अच्छा अभी यहाँ रह गया. हाँ? 5 to 8. Okay. Okay. So, guys, please pay attention now. I want you to understand goal setting fundamentally. Please, absolute attention now. What came in your mind when you decided 5, please? Why not 3? Why not 10? Why 5?
Because I know the conditions and I have done also. So I know the range की कितना.
Perfect. Great. Superb. Why 7?
मुझे लगा मेरा एंड्योरेंस उतना है तो मतलब मैं अपने हिसाब से उतना दौड़ सकता हूँ.
नहीं, आपने पहले क्या बोला? मुझे लगा मेरा
एंड्योरेंस उतना है.
ओके, एंड्योरेंस इतना है. आपको ऐसा क्यों लगा कि आपका एंड्योरेंस इतना ही है? What is the backup statement for that?
जितना मैं अभी दौड़ कर पाता हूँ उसके हिसाब से.
ओके, सो अभी कितना कर पा रहे होंगे एक रफली? विदाउट चेकिंग. नहीं, आई एम जस्ट सेइंग टेक एन एस्टिमेट.
So you are talking to him in the area of dream and wish.
टेक एन एस्टिमेट प्लीज.
मैं 3, 4, 5 किलोमीटर ऐसे भागा हूँ उसमें मैं थक जाता हूँ.
પરફેક્ટ. ધીસ ઇઝ વોટ આઈ વોન્ટેડ. યસ. દ્રષ્ટિ, તને 6 નો કેમ વિચાર આવ્યો?
કારણ કે સર એટલું જ કરી શકું.
ને એટલે તને એવું કેમ લાગે છે કે તું એટલું જ કરી શકે છે?
Jogging અને કરીને મારું 1 hour માં 6 કિલોમીટર થાય છે. હું મોર્નિંગમાં જાઉં છું.
પરફેક્ટ. એટલે તે એવું વિચાર્યું હશે કે દોડવાનું બી કે તો વચ્ચે થોડા બ્રેક લઈને કમસે કમ ઊભા રહેતા બી 6 તો થઈ જાય.
હા સર, વોક અને જોગ ભેગા કરીને
That's what you thought. That's what the thought was. That correct?
આટલું મારું રોજનું થાય છે. સવારે જ્યારે હું જાઉં છું એટલે મારી પાસે ના પડે.
Done, sir. Great. This 5, sir.
Sir, I also used to run, so sir, 5 મિનિટમાં હું generally 1 કિલોમીટર કવર કરી શકતો હતો, 1 hour.
Okay. Now remember, whenever you set any goals in your life, first figure out your realistic data. Your R is based on facts, figures, data, maybe history, any previous conditions, and present situation. You all agree with me? While figuring out these number, you would have different condition you would have taken care of. These all would be falling into this category. Now we are the head of businessman. You are running a company and you are setting a goal of your organization. 2 case studies. Suppose you are running a company which is already a 3-year-old company. Must be having 3 years balance sheet, 3 years turnover, 3 years projection, 3 years data, 3 years profitability, 3 years product development, 3 years client data, number on year on year incremental of number of client and all those things. This is what your realistic data. Condition 2, sir, I am a startup, no past data. In that, 2, you are studying data. What is the market potential of product what we are making? What is the possible target market where we can sell maximum this product? Whether this to be B2B model, B2C model, or both model, looking to kind of a target market we have. If my product can be sold to entire country, which are the 10 most prominent cities where I would like to start with? Yes or no? There is a separate session we are going to do on how to identifying the target market very scientifically. You would enjoy that, and that particular session would solve your half of the problem when it comes to selling. But before that, let us go it fundamentally. So when we set the goal, first and foremost important thing is let me find out my R. हम नहीं बोलते हैं मेरे को ऋतिक रोशन बनना हो या कुछ भी बनना हो, मेरे को एक बार आईना देखना जरूरी है. What am I right now? Based on that, let me see what best I can. So basically, R is what am I right now based on data, fact, figure, history and all. Now, भाई 5 से 6 क्यों किया आपने? जब आपको मालूम ही था कि आप 6 तो पहले भी कर सकते थे, तो पहले 5 आया, पहले 6 क्यों नहीं आया, और पहले 5 डालने के बाद ये 6 क्यों किया?
I don't want to mess up, but I will try to.
नहीं, मेरा क्वेश्चन है जैसे लाइक दृष्टि सेठ के सर 6 तो 6.
But I will put boundary put करूँगा.
ओके, एब्सोल्युटली ओके. आई एम श्योर सेम विथ योर केस. बोले यार मोदी जी कहाँ वैसे हाथ में आने वाले हैं, ट्राई मार लेते हैं, गया तो ठीक है, नहीं तो इट्स ओके. સેમ વિથ. અચ્છા દ્રષ્ટિ, વાય ડીડ યુ નોટ ચેન્જ? મોદીજી આવે છે અહીંયા નેક્સ્ટ ટુ એટલે જે ઇન્ટરવ્યુ તારો છાપવાની વાત ચાલે છે, કમસે કમ મોદીજીની તો રિસ્પેક્ટ રાખ.
Sir, respect is that is max my body weight. And that is, I can go to 6.3, 6.4, but I can't.
ઓકે. Can I say in a way, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, it's okay sir, I would love to run 7 kilometer also, 8 kilometer also. This motivation as of now does not matter to me. Can I say that? It's okay sir, let him run 12 kilometer, let him run 15 kilometer to meet Modi ji. If Modi ji is free and if I can come to my house, I will, with all intensity to our honorable Prime Minister, I will make a tea with, मतलब જેવી આવડે એવી બનાવીને બી અમને ચા પીવડાવીશ, પણ I do not want to increase my, because that's not motivation for me. So remember one thing, once you have figured out your R, let us determine our A. From R to A, two important parameters come into the picture. One is, as he rightly said, motivation. That reward was a motivation. So motivation help you to determine or maybe talk to yourself that I would like to do more. More than 5, more than 6, more than 7. बट 5 से कितना ज्यादा, 6, 7, 8, that is determined by कुछ ज्यादा करना है, ये काम मोटिवेशन का है. कितना ज्यादा करना है, ये काम इसका है. No Oxford, no Stanford, no Harvard, no PDPU, no IIM or no any damn institute on this planet has a ready-made menu available to get this. It's within. This is the only reason success does not have any benchmark which school you have come from, which religion you have come from, which community you have come from, which nation you have come from. That's what, this desire means. Drashti did not have a motivation. Forget about desire then, yes or no? For this goal. If you don't have a motivation, desire need not to be talked. Yes, if you have a motivation, then you will ask yourself, okay yaar, 5 से थोड़ा desire बढ़ा, 6. Then there will be one kind of a desire, चलो ना यार थोड़ा तो ज़्यादा करते हैं, कुछ reward मिल रहा है, नहीं हुआ तो देखा जाएगा. So they will from 5 to 6. He might say, come what may, whatever is there in my hand, I am going to put in tomorrow. Let me see अगर फ्लूक में निकल गए या कैसे भी करके निकल गए. रोज नहीं दौड़ता हूँ, that's why I am categorically use this word fluke. अगर रोज दौड़ता तो then it will be in planned way. But I don't run. Let me try it out. Let me put my desire. Let me put my best. 1 घंटे बाद गिर जाऊंगा तो 2 दिन नहीं जाऊंगा, सो जाऊंगा. Then let me put extra. Okay, Drashti, if I may ask you a question, with your permission, હડકાયેલું કૂતરું પાછળ પડે તો તું કેટલા દોડે? I'm just saying. પછી તો સર છે ને હું નહીં ડિસાઈડ કરું, કૂતરું ડિસાઈડ કરશે. સર મતલબ see, will you limit yourself 8.5? No.
So I might even over, rank from 12 to 30.
मतलब we say that you may surpass even 15, 20 also, because that depends on how fast that dog is. Okay. Now let's come down to the point. What is the learning out of this? There are two kinds of motivation. One is reward and one is fear. When you have a reward motivation, your desire may be different. When you have a fear motivation, your desire may be different. Now these all theoretical gyan. Let us put our businessman hat into the picture. So in this week, mentors, please listen carefully. In this week, what they are supposed to do, they are supposed to set their few goals, which I will be sharing the guideline. And there you need to discuss A and R intensively. So say for example, turnover goal, income goal. You are setting your income goal for next 6 months, say for example. So what should be the start date? What should be the end date? What should be the measurability? Of course, money. What is their R quantification and what is their A quantification? For example, just give me one figure. In next couple of months, how much money would you like to, do you see making money out of your business for next 3 months, 5 months, 6 months? For suppose 10 lakhs. Let us put that in 6 months. Okay. So, who is your mentor? Okay. So, say for example, who? Shipra. So, suppose Shipra, when in this week you are discussing with him, probably you both need to come onto the common ground that starting from this date to this date, my so and so company will make 10 lakh rupee turnover. If this is the goal statement. I am saying as a mentor and mentee, we need to figure out one thing. What is the base of that R of setting 10 lakh rupee? What made you set that R? And once figuring out R, what should be the A? Realistically, what data speaks? And out of which, what is your motivation and desire to go on? Is there any reward linked? Of course. Is there any fear linked? Of course. Discuss it out. So this is the way every professional or successful organization set their goals. Probably, once you set for 6 months, 6 months, 6 months, you would be having strong R after 1.5 years, yes or no? Right now, you might not be having past history as, docketed one because you are startup. In that case, you and your mentor discuss it out and first figure out your R. Based on that R, what is the motivation and desire to change the quantity? But we set goals always on A. Why? That exercise. Human being, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How did you feel? Okay, yaar. કરવાનું કીધું ને કરી નાખ્યું. Not achieved. How did you feel? I felt good. I tried it. It was possible for me to do in this way. I did not choose to do it in that way. I took up the challenge and did it for me. So expanding your horizon of thought and desire is a fundamental characteristic of human being. So put that into consideration and set a stretched goal. But Payank, after stretching goal, how to achieve it? That's why we have kept 12 session program. That's the reason we have kept 12 session program. Otherwise, we would have given you a capsule, if possible. But because we are not medical, doctors, probably we would say, why don't you go to this YouTube link and Google link and open this page? Every content has been there. How to set goals in 10 steps. Easily available. अगर उससे काम हो गया होता, I am sure we would have not been here. So the first and foremost step is set strong goals. So this is the way we are supposed to. So our goal setting fundamental, at least how to set and define the A is clear. Yes or no? Guys, yes or no? Yes. Okay, great. Participants who are attending the program online, how to set the goal on A. Is it absolutely clear? If yes, then put the answer into the chat box. Now we come to a very, very important thing. In any organization, there are 4 types of goals. If you want to have a phenomenally successful organization, it has to have 4 kinds of goals. First is key goals. Second is focus goals. Third is effort goals. And fourth is task goals. Key goal, focus goal, effort goal and task goal. How to differentiate that? Your key goals money. No other sentiments, no other love and affection language, only money. So what kind of money goals normally organizations have? Can we have a one example from each table? What one example of key goal can be? What can be the money goal of an organization? Profit. What money goal organizations can have? Sales. Okay. So what do we call top line? Turnover. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के मनी रिलेटेड गोल कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं? वी आर टेकिंग वेरियस एग्जाम. जस्ट डोंट लुक एट योर स्टार्टअप. आई एम सेइंग लेट अस लुक एट होलिस्टिक. पार्डन? सो मार्केट परसेंटेज कैप्चर्ड का मेजरमेंट परसेंटेज में है. अच्छा, कस्टमर बेस भी नंबर में है. हमने इधर क्लियर कट डेफिनेशन बोल दिया है कि मनी गोल जो की गोल है उसका मेजरेबिलिटी होगा शुड बी इन लैक और सीआर ओनली. तो विच आर दोज गोल्स ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन विच हैज मेजरेबिलिटी इन मनी ओनली? टर्नओवर, प्रॉफिट, market capitalization. You are talking about market value, increase in the market value. It's okay, perfect. Valuation, probably this was the X valuation, now is the Y valuation. Perfect. What else can be? Expenditure, cost cutting, financing, collecting money from the market back, outstanding payment collection. These are the variety of different goals which has measurability only in money. So mentors and mentee, whenever in this session from here on we would be using this key goal terminology, it should be understand that we are talking about money. That's it, no other language. So all our money goals are key goals. Focus goals means 2 things: milestone goals and department goals. So to achieve this 10 lakh rupee or 20 lakh rupee goal, whatever you will set it, how many departments you have in your company? Sales, marketing. Okay. Okay. Who is a CFO of your company? I'm just asking a question. Who is the CFO of your company? Who is the HR head, by the way? No. Okay. But still there is an HR department, yes or no? Who is HR head? Me. Who is production head? Me. Who is the account head? Me. I don't know anything about accounting, but still I am. So can we say this goal will be achieved only and only whether I have a person or not, I have a resource or not, but each and every single department performs significantly to support that money goal? Can we say that? So don't you think so? We should have a written goal of all respective departments also to achieve that number goal? Yes or no? So can we in agreement Are we in agreement that in this week, before we meet for the next session, mentor and mentee will conclude what should be my key goal for next 3 to 6 months drashti? Maybe based on startup to startup, your start date and end date, it may vary. Like say for example, he can think of 6-month goals. He can think of 4-month goals. Maybe he is still figuring out something with his product and all. So he may think to set goal for 8 months. But mentor and mentee, please sort out and set turnover or profit goals of your startup. That's a key goal. In order to achieve this key goal, what should be the department goal or milestone? Milestone means 50 ओवर में 300 बनाना है तो 5 ओवर में कितना करेंगे? सिंपल. 1.5 घंटे में बड़ौदा जाना है तो आधे घंटे में कहां पहुंचेंगे? Milestone. First milestone is Nadiad, second is Anand, third is Baroda. 35 मिनट में Nadiad, 45 minutes में या 50 minutes में Anand, and 1 hour and 15 minutes Baroda. Milestone. So that means 6 month 10 lakh, 24 weeks. पहले वीक में कितना, दूसरे वीक में कितना, तीसरे वीक में कितना, चौथे वीक में कितना. This is the milestone goals. But सर पहले वीक में तो कैसे, कुछ नहीं होगा. It's okay, 0. 0 is measurable, yes, number or not. It's okay. You can have 2 zeros for 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks you can, 3rd week onwards you can. But start making practice of setting smart key goal and milestone goals. And in order to achieve that, what should be my department goals? What are major things account department needs to be done? What recruitment 1 or 2 things has to happen? What all things you will do? What product development, what marketing, sales, whichever departments are there, just list it down and start putting thoughts on. And mind you, we will be figuring out all key goals and focus goals here only. What we want from all mentors, they should come up with money goal very well defined. In this 1 week, you discuss focus goals with each other. What all department needs to be, and we will convert them into goal in next session here only. So before we complete next session, we would be docketing income goal and department goals. See, we always say when we work with bigger organization, there is called leadership thinking, there is called managerial thinking. There is a large debate going across the world. And nobody has won this battle till now. It's like पहले मुर्गी आई या पहला अंडा आया, it's kind of a debatable thing. So there are 2 questions. ए पयंक, पहले गोल सेट करके फिर प्लान करना चाहिए या प्लान करते 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 गोल अचीव करना चाहिए? I am saying it's a long debate, but one thing is, when we are talking about purely measurable industry, it is always advisable first you set the goals and then set the plan. Because we are working into the measurable industry. Even if you will sell an idea to your any investor, first and foremost thing he or she going to ask you is, what is your goal post? And why I need to pump into the money? So figure out your money goal, figure out your milestone goals, figure out your department goals, and come with this clarity. Is the question clear to everybody? Correct? Okay, great. We will write down the assignments. This effort goal and task goal we will see next time. Remember one thing, organizations which have clarity about their key goal, we can always say that their vision is clear, short and long. When organizations' focus goals are clear, we always say their plans are clear. When organizations have effort goals and task goals clear, we can say that their execution is clear. And when vision plus plans plus execution vision, planning and execution, when they added, it becomes accomplishment. So when we do the postmortem of any industry, small or mid-scale industry, so when we say small to mid-scale company, they are from 50 employees to 500 employees and 100 crore to 1000 crore turnover. Normally, when we do analysis of those kind of companies, even after achieving significantly, they always have lots of gaps in these three things. So as a startup, see, one of the key reasons why we always love to spend quality time with startup is only because of one thing, because life and businesses have taught us so many things in different ways that what mistakes they make at certain stage, let those mistakes which can be avoided here, let's not make it. So at least our vision, our plans and our executions have to be meticulous. What external things come, we will see. So that's how, so the key takeaway is, before we meet for the next session, we all have to be ready with our key goal. And one last thing from my side for today is, I'm going to share you one very, very interesting analogy. This is a learning process of this entire workshop, and this is a human psychology concept also. We call it as a success tree. So, success we have already defined, achieving goals which are progressive, predetermined, and all those things. Success is a consequence of series of results. Agree? Success is a consequence of series of results. Yes or no? Result is a consequence of what? Result is a consequence of actions or efforts. Action comes from habit of thinking. Correct? 3 8s are 24. 16 8s are? Oh. How much? 16 8s are? Calculator do you say? Anybody can figure out what is 16 8s are? Okay. How did this 128 derive, you know? 168 minus 32. Yes or no? It's not like, kitla tha manaj nahi khabar. 16 8s are? 16 8s are how much we said? 128. If you remember, third table you would have mugged up 100, 200, 500 times as a child. Yes or no? Everybody agree? So yaar 14, 16 table also nothing less than 25, 30, 40 times. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32. But when I ask 3 8s are 24, 14 8s are, again 140 minus 28. We do not remember that as a table. So what happens, you know? What just happened? Situation in life came without knocking the door. And from somewhere, we don't know from where, some thought came. 2 7s are 14. Did you expect 2 7s are situation would come in your life just before 2 seconds, 3 seconds? No. These came accidentally in your life. From these, some thought came. That thought became words. Spoken or unspoken, it's a different story. That word became action. Action produces results. Results produces success or failure. So, people keep talking about attitude, 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 attitude. Let me tell you, attitude is nothing but your habit of thinking. Based on your attitude, you speak with yourself. This is called self-talk. Can we see the actions of other people? Yes or no? We can. Can we see the thinking? No. So attitude we can't see, but the actions which we can see is known as your behavior. Now $1 million question is, Payang, from where the hell this thought come? So your thinking comes from your past conditioning, yes or no? जिसको हम हिंदी में या गुजराती में मानसिकता बोलते हैं. Situation comes in your life, based on your मानसिकता, you will create some thought. Now the question comes, ये conditioning कैसे बनती है? तो conditioning इस तरह से बनती है, when you multiply your experiences, when your experiences multiply, it becomes conditioning. मतलब हॉरर मूवी देख के एक बार डर लगा, 2 बार लगा, 3 बार लगा, 4 बार लगा, अब ये फिट प्रोग्राम्ड. बस अभी खाली आवाज ही आने की देर है. अंदर से थॉट आएगा, थॉट विल बिकम वर्ड, वर्ड विल बिकम एक्शन. हाइट का फियर, 1 बार, 2 बार, 3 बार, फिट. Once it is fit, it happens effortlessly. Correct? 4 6 effortlessly. Because 4th table has been conditioned. Now any conditioning or any experience has to happen for the first time, yes or no? Before it gets programmed, it has to happen couple of times. तो 4 का टेबल भी एक बार तो पहले वो डंडा लेके किसी ने करवाया था ना. इट इज कॉल्ड अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल वर्ड कॉल्ड स्पेस्ड रिपीटेशन. व्हाट इज स्पेस्ड रिपीटेशन? स्पेस्ड रिपीटेशन, spaced repetition, doing something again and again and again at some regular interval, that is called spaced repetition. अब वही 4 वाले टेबल पे आ जाते हैं. 4 का टेबल 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 14 का टेबल 14 1 जा 14, 14 2 जा 28. इसको 100-200 बार कराया, उसको 40-50 बार करवाया. स्पेस रेपिटेशन दोनों का हुआ. ओके, करेक्ट. ये दोनों आपको एज अ नॉलेज दिया गया. Now the question comes, why certain knowledge of your life becomes conditioning and why certain knowledge, kind of knowledge, does not become your conditioning? That is the question we need to figure out. Correct? So, spaced repetitively, whenever you do something again and again and again and again, before it converts into experiences, it has to be first applied. Yes or no? So if you remember, याद करो अपनी जूनियर केजी की एग्जाम. You remember this kind of exams we all have passed? What is this? 4 का टेबल is knowledge, yes or no? This is application of knowledge. Do you agree? Very simple. 2 का टेबल was knowledge. This is called application of knowledge. अच्छा, is the same exam where he scored 50, you scored 40, he and me scored 0. But today, we all three remembered the table, because beauty with application is, even if you get results or if you don't get result, it help you to convert into the conditioning. Correct? So we don't want to become psychologists here. Please don't get into that. Now I will set the context and relevancy why exactly we are learning this. So in these particular sessions, you would be learning lot of new things. Like we should set key goals, we should set focus goals, we should set effort goals, we should set weekly goals. We have 12-week program, and every session will end with writing down weekly 7-day business life goals and personal life goals. So what will happen, space repetitively, 1 week you will set it, 2nd week you will set it, 3rd week you will set it, 4th week you will set it, 5th, 6th, 7, 8, 9, 10. Application. Mentors, you can here play a significant role during this week, continuously talking to them about their weekly goals. That's the best job. Both of you need to do it. So that is application of what you have learned is happening. Some might do, some might not do, something will happen somewhere, sometimes situations will not support, many things will happen, but in a way, setting weekly goal, looking at them, measuring them, achieving them and evaluating them will become your experiences, yes or no? Repetition of experiences will become conditioning, yes or no? Now, 3 years after, your organization is a 50-employee organization. We always say, top person can make or break the company, yes or no? So, before you make this company a 50-employee company, how wonderful it would be if these organizations every month set key goals, focus goals, every week they set effort goals, and imagine an organization where every employee is making their daily goals, weekly goals, monthly goals, looking at it, reviewing it, accomplish it, sharing it. What happens to this organization if this has been maintained consistently? So this is what has to happen. So what we will do in this entire program, we will be learning goal setting, we will be learning business development, we will be learning identifying target market, we will be learning how to pitch your product and services to investors, we will be learning how to pitch your product to your customers, we will be learning how to identify the target market, we will be learning practical sales process, we will be learning psychological sales process, we will be learning emotional sales process, we will be learning practical goal setting process, we will be learning psychological goal setting process and what not, which really will help you to elevate your business. Only thing is, one cooperation is required from all of you. Knowledge without action is lights without switchboard. Best of the best quality, vehicle without fuel. No matter what kind of a vehicle you have, if you do not have a fuel, nothing happens. So please, in this week, 1 week, we will be only giving you actionable item only and nothing new. So probably if you ask me, in this 12 session program, are we going to do great things? No. You are going to do simple things only with great discipline. I always say, successful people don't do great things. They do simple things with enormous discipline. Very simple things we are going to learn. The whole game changer is 7-day action plan. Otherwise तो रोज सुबह बाबा आते ही हमको spiritual ज्ञान देने. How many of us wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning doing exercise, yoga is good for health? Everybody. Now I don't need to complete the sentence I did. Correct? So this is what we are going to do. So assignment for this particular week is Acha, I will be keep repeating, we will be keep repeating, this success tree every time in the session. Success comes from result, result comes from action, action comes from thinking, thinking comes from conditioning, conditioning comes from your past experiences, and experiences comes from spaced repetition. You will do again and again things, experience will happen, experience will create two things, pain or pleasure. Both help you to form conditioning. And then with conditioning, once it comes at this stage, this happens automatically. So, if you want to change something here, Drashti, where we need changes? Yes or no? Huh? If we want changes here, we need to change this here. Figuring out this will be a common responsibility of this entire room, including me and Ankit. We will assist there. Doing this is by and large responsibility of mentee. This is responsibility of what? Whom? It's a collective responsibility. So, in nutshell, if we all can work here, and if we get little cooperation from here, this is byproduct. In everything, whatever topics we are talking about. And we will give you a proper execution plan for this thing. So probably in this week, what you are supposed to do, write down your 7-day goals. So I think what we can do, maybe key goals, actionable item is, first actionable item is everybody needs to set their key goals. That is money goal. Second is, we all need to come with some crystal clear clarity about our focus goals. To attain those income goal, what all things we need to think about various departments. Our goal should be, as a team, before we end next session, we have to have a docketed money goal and department goals in written. So leadership thinking, पहले result identify करेंगे, learning उसके ऊपर apply करेंगे. ऐसा नहीं कि यहाँ पे सीख लो और देख अब तू क्या कर सकता है. No, sorry. We will set results and we will apply entire learning on this thing. Yeah, please.
For example, we are 3 members for our team. So we go individually or do we do for a team?
Okay, great. Do you think, if there is a final of World Cup is there and Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma should have a different goal?
So it's two perspectives. One goal is final, success is final, but interdepartmentally they have to change.
Okay, great. It's a brilliant question. So, one thing is for sure, as a startup, if this would have been an organization run by managers and HODs, so thumb rule, industry thumb rule ये बोलता है, हमेशा जो key goal है वो top के सारे लोग define करते हैं, the promoters, the owners. Focus goal जो है वो हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट और रिस्पेक्टिव कस्टोडियन नॉर्मली डिसाइड करते हैं और उसको ओनर अप्रूव करते हैं. दिस इज नॉर्मली इंडस्ट्री गाइडलाइन. बट अब आप देख लो आपकी कंपनी में एचओडी कौन है और ओनर कौन है. सो होप आई हैव आंसर्ड करेक्ट. इफ यू फील दैट यू आर द एचओडी एंड यू आर द ओनर, बोथ की गोल एंड फोकस गोल कलेक्टिवली टू बी डन. If you feel that you have already hired a person, I don't know about what is the condition of different startup, but I believe you have already hired a person and you are paying some good salary to that person, involve them also in identifying focus goal. And then if you after 3-6 months appoint a person, please involve them in focus goal, because owner का vision है और लोगों का plan में focus नहीं है तो we can't achieve goals. So you can involve them.
And there is
is any method to define it's a right goal or a wrong?
Okay, so that's why we said money goal you discuss with your mentor. जब आप R और A का discussion करोगे तो most likely you will set right goals only, because first you will have to figure out your R, data, fact, figure, history, and then based on that what is your motivation and desire, you will stretch that goal to A, and let us work on that. Two things will happen. After 6 months you will realize even your A also was conservative. But these 6 months will create one history. Maybe next 6 months you will have an accurate R to define your further A. That's why in success there is a word called progressive. It's a journey. First, have on your gut feeling, backed up by data, of course. Go ahead. Let us churn it out for 3 months and let's make a road to create a magnificent R for next quarter. Let's see what happens. Okay. So I think, hope we are clear. And there is a third thing, Ankit bhai, what you were saying that.
So I think revisit and reiterate. एक तो पहले हमने जो डिस्कस किया वो ये कि आप सब अपने की गोल्स डिफाइन करोगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ मेथड्स. दूसरा फोकस्ड गोल आप डिफाइन करोगे, राइट. तीसरा जो चीज है वो ये है कि आप लोगों को आज शाम को ही you have to decide your next 7 days goal. Or next 7 days goal should be in 2 areas. Now you can write. You were writing in the beginning, right, when we shared this. So now you can write. There are 2 things. Number 1 is your 7-day goal, 7-day business goal, and 7-day personal goals. And please write these things. So 7-day business goal and 7-day personal goal. Now this is going to be a common element till the program ends, and after that you will be habituated to do it, right? हम लोग 12 बार करवाएंगे, उसके बाद आप habituated हो जाओगे, ठीक है? So ये जो 7-day goal है ना, जो आप आज decide करोगे, next Tuesday we will begin with 7-day victory sharing. उसमें आपने क्या गोल सेट किए थे and what was the victory of out of that, right? How many times out of 5, right? How many circles? समझ में आ रहा है अभी पूरा सेशन टॉप से लेके बॉटम तक, right? So I was holding myself when there are questions that has been asked. So just 2 things for every one of us. Number 1, सब मिलके ही डिसाइड करते हैं कि बबूल का पेड़ उगाना है कि आम का. वहां तक सब साथ में होते हैं. That is your key goal. जगह मैं दूंगा, बीज मैं लाऊंगा, फेंस मैं करूंगा, पानी मैं पिलाऊंगा, ध्यान तू रखना. ये आपका फोकस गोल है. समझ में आ रहा है?
For business perspective, what for personal care goals?
Okay. So number 2 is that क्योंकि हम लोग काफी डेप्थ में चले गए थे और मैंने देखा कि जब बहुत ज्यादा हम डेप्थ में चले जाते हैं किसी सब्जेक्ट का तो ध्यान सा लग जाता है. ध्यान सा तो वो ध्यान सा जो लग रहा था उससे हम सबको वापस लाते हुए मैं आपको एक चीज बताता हूँ कि जब हम और आप, जब हम लोग सब छोटे बच्चे थे तो क्यों हमारे माँ बाप ने ऐसा नहीं किया होगा कि 50 लीटर दूध पिला दिया, 20 किलो सब्जी खिला दी, 2338 रोटियां खिला दी और बोला बच्चा बेटा 15 साल का. क्यों ऐसे नहीं किया? ओके, दूसरा एक एग्जांपल देता हूं. आप सबकी क्विकली, आप सबकी फेवरेट स्वीट कौन सी है? फेवरेट स्वीट? गुलाब जामुन, बूंदी, बर्फी, गुलाब जामुन, हलवासन, काजू कतरी, काजू कतरी, मोतीचूर, सिर्फ मोती, लड्डू के लड्डू, ओके, रसगुल्ले, रबड़ी, काजू कतरी। जस्ट इमेजिन करो एक मोटी कढ़ाई से, एक बड़ा सा कढ़ाई है, उसके अंदर काजू कतरी का वो बन रहा है, और जिन जिन को काजू कतरी पसंद है उसी में से लेकर के दिया सीधा मुंह में ले खाओ ना, पसंदीदा मिठाई है। पूरा जामुन जो है वो तल के, या रसगुल्ला है वो तल के उठा करके सीधा चाशनी में डाल के सीधा मुंह में। हलवा किसको पसंद है, मटर किसको पसंद है, कढ़ाई में से सीधा मुंह में, क्या होगा? अरे नहीं खाओ ना, पसंदीदा मिठाई है ना, क्या होगा? मुंह जल जाएगा। So similarly, knowledge also needs to be given that pause to be able to receive in a most effective manner, है ना? तो इनका जो क्वेश्चन है कि पर्सनल लेवल पे क्या करेंगे, and let me tell you, our biggest win, mine and Payampai's biggest win will be to make you ask questions. The moment you will start asking questions, we feel that we have done our job. Because आप उन्हीं से प्रश्न पूछते हो जिनसे आपको जवाब की अपेक्षा होती है। आंसर का जहां आपको आशा होती है, उम्मीद होती है, या कुछ टेस्ट भी करना है, उन्हीं से आप क्वेश्चन पूछते हो। So thank you very much. But let me tell you that in coming few sessions we are going to address all of this, right? इसलिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि ये तो अभी अभी क्वेश्चन आया है। अगले सेशन में इस सेशन के रिलेटेड और भी क्वेश्चंस होंगे और होने ही चाहिए। उसके लिए आपको एक लास्ट एक्टिविटी करना है, जिस एक्टिविटी को बोलते हैं MMSRE एक्टिविटी, मेंटर्स MMSRE एक्टिविटी। ये क्या है MMSRE? मेंटर मेंटी स्पेस्ड रिपीटेशन एक्सरसाइज। आज जितना भी कुछ लिखा है, जो कुछ भी किया है, उसे कम से कम 3 बार डिस्कस करना कॉन्शियसली, बिकॉज डूइंग थिंग्स एंड डूइंग थिंग्स कॉन्शियसली इज अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस। तो उसको करना, एंड देन इफ यू डिसाइड इट वुड टेक यू एट अ डिफरेंट लेवल। अभी सक्सेस राइट। और दूसरा मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है आप सब लोगों से, दैट जस्ट इन्वेस्ट इनटू अ बुक, एक नई नोटबुक परचेज कर लो, अच्छी वाली, बिकॉज दिस डेटा शुड बी कंपाइल्ड, शुड स्टे एट वन प्लेस, है ना? ये पेपर कब तक कहाँ संभाल के रखोगे? और हमारी जनरल जैसी आदत होती है, चीजें हम इतनी संभाल के रखते हैं कि फिर खुद को ही नहीं मिलता। Done the right thing, but I tell you, for these 12 sessions, have a separate book and write. Fair? Okay. So thank you so very much, and काफी अच्छा लगा आप लोगों से।